You've got spreadsheets open in multiple tabs, emails waiting for responses, and a looming deadline that needs some serious visual clarity. That's where this monster comes in, literally. The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth is an absolute beast of a gaming monitor, boasting an 18-inch UHD Plus display with an incredible 3840 by 2400 resolution, running at 120 Hz and packed with mini LED HDR 1000 for a staggering 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. You might be thinking, what's the big deal about that? Well, let me tell you, this thing is like looking through a window into another world. The colors are so vivid, the contrast is so sharp, and the response time is so fast, it'll make your old monitor look like a relic of the past. But don't just take my word for it. This monitor has already become the go-to for serious gamers and content creators who demand the best performance without breaking the bank. Once people try this, they stop reaching for their old monitors, it's that good. Now, let's talk about some of its other impressive specs. The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth is powered by an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card with a whopping 24GB of GDDR7 memory, making it one of the most powerful consumer-grade cards on the market today. And when you need to multitask, this thing can handle up to 96GB of DDR5 RAM and a blazing fast 2TB Samsung 990 Pro NVMe SSD. But what really sets this monitor apart is its OS, Microsoft Windows 11 Pro, which offers seamless integration with your existing software and apps. Plus, with MSI's legendary warranty and lifetime tech support from EXCaliberPC, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're protected for a full year, plus an extra year of global warranty coverage. So, how does it compare to those other high-end gaming monitors out there? Let me tell you, the Acer Predator X35 is $1,500 more expensive than this baby, and while it's got some impressive specs, its HDR is only 80% of DCI-P3, which means it just can't compete with the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth in terms of pure color accuracy. And don't even get me started on the ISUS ROG Studio XG32VQ, that one's gotta be around $2,000 more than this monitor, and it still can't top the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth in terms of sheer visual fidelity. And then there are the budget-friendly options like the ViewSonic XG240R. Now, I know what you're thinking, wait, isn't that a great price? And yeah, it is. But let me tell you, its 24-inch Full HD display just can't hold a candle to this 18 UHD Plus behemoth. The response time is slower, the colors are duller, and don't even get me started on the lack of HDR. But what really sets the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth apart is its price-to-performance ratio. This thing is an absolute steal at $999. $99, considering all the specs and features you're getting. You can literally find more expensive monitors that just don't match up in terms of raw performance or build quality. So, who's going to benefit from this incredible deal? Well, for starters, it's anyone who's serious about gaming, whether that's a hardcore pro gamer or just someone who loves playing games on the weekends. It's also perfect for content creators like YouTubers, streamers, and social media influencers who need a top-notch monitor to showcase their work. And let me tell you, once you've experienced the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth, you'll never go back to your old monitor again. The visual fidelity is so stunning, the performance is so smooth, and the price is just too good to pass up. Trust me, this thing is a game changer. In fact, I'd say that losing out on this incredible deal is like throwing away $1,000 or more elsewhere. You'll be kicking yourself for not investing in the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth when you could have had it for a fraction of that price. So don't wait, order your EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth today and experience the ultimate in gaming performance and style. But wait, there's more. Not only will you be getting an incredible monitor, but you'll also be part of an exclusive community of tech-savvy individuals who demand the best without breaking the bank. And with EXCaliberPC's legendary warranty and lifetime tech support, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Don't let this incredible deal slip away. Order your EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Stealth today and experience the future of gaming monitors.